हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। मैं आज आपके लिए लाई हूँ फिज़िक्स के 50 MCQs जो तकरीबन हर कम्पिटिटिव टेस्ट में पूछे जाते हैं। अगर आप इनको ये मेमोराइज़ कर लेंगे तो इंशाल्लाह आप हर एग्ज़ाम में सक्सीड करेंगे। तो चलिए जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा पहला MCQs है, वेयर आर मेसons फाउंड? ऑप्शन ए गैमा रेज, ऑप्शन बी एक्स रेज, ऑप्शन सी लेज़र बीम एंड ऑप्शन डी इज़ कॉस्मिक रेज। द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस MCQs is option D, cosmic rays. Next MCQs is, which of the following has the lowest frequency? Option A visible rays, option B ultraviolet rays, option C X rays and option D is gamma rays. The correct answer for this MCQs is option B ultraviolet rays has the lowest frequency. Next MCQs is, hotness or coldness of an object is represented in terms of option A temperature, option B heat, option C is chemical energy and option D is none of these. The correct answer is option A temperature. Hotness or coldness depends upon temperature. MCQs 4 is, which of the following particle is unstable? Option A neutrino, option B neutrons, option C proton and option D is antineutrino. The correct answer is option B neutrons. Neutrons are unstable particle. Einstein was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for which? Option A photoelectricity, option B uncertainty principle, option C theory of relativity and option D is law of gravitation. The best answer for this MCQs is option A photoelectricity. Einstein was awarded for photoelectricity. Soap bubbles looks colored due to option A reflection, option B interference, option C dispersion, option D is any one of these. और इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन बी इंटरफेरेंस. Binding energy for deutron nucleus is given by option A 2.25 mega electron volt, option B 2.23 mega electron volt, option C 2.8 mega electron volt and option D is 2.28 mega electron volt. The correct answer is option B 2.23 mega electron volt. Next MCQs is, a radar which detects the presence of an enemy aircraft uses option A radio waves, option B electric waves, option C sound waves and option D is ultrasonic waves. The correct answer is option A radio waves. radar से ही mention है, आप याद कर सकते हैं radar से radio waves. The next MCQs is, the half-life of radium-226 is option A 25 days, option B 23.5 minutes, option D 30 minutes and option D is 1600 years. The correct answer for this MCQs is option D 1600 years. Half-life of radium-226 is 1600 years. What does the slope of a velocity time graph represent? Option A speed, option B distance, option C momentum and option D is acceleration. तो velocity time graph की जो representation हुई थी वो हुई थी option D acceleration. It depends upon acceleration. Which term is not associated with sound waves? Option A hertz, option B candela, option C Mach, option C D decibel. That term which is not associated with sound waves are candela, option B candela. The proton is heavier than an electron by option A 3837 times, option B 1837 times, option C 187 times and option D is 2827 times. The perfect answer for this MCQs is option B, 1837 times. The next MCQs is AC voltage is given. Option A digital quantity. Option B, chemical quantity. Option C, mathematical quantity. And option D is analog quantity. The correct answer is option D, analog quantity. 14th MCQs is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy is option A, inductor. Option B, motor. Option C, generator. And option 4 is transformer. The correct answer is option B, motor. The next MCQ is which device is used to measure strength of electric current? Option A, galvanometer. Option B, ammeter. Option C, voltmeter. And option D is colorimeter. The device which measures strength of electric current is option B, ammeter. Which instrument is used to measure depth of ocean? Option A, endoscope. Option B, fluxmeter. Option C, galvanometer. Option 4, fathometer. The best answer for this MCQs is option D, fathometer. Which instrument is used to determine the intensity of colors? Option A, colorimeter. Option B, captometer. Option C, commutator. And option 4 is chronometer. The best answer for this MCQs is option A, colorimeter. Our next MCQs is which instrument is used to measure the changes in volume of substance? Option A, dilatometer. Option B, electroscope. Option C, dynamo. And option 4 is cyclotron. The best answer is option A, dilatometer. Our next MCQs is rocket works on the principle of option A, Newton's third law. Option B, Newton's second law. Option C, Newton's fourth law. Option D is Archimedes principle. The correct option is option A, Newton's third law. Option number 20 is the fourth state of matter is option A, electron. Option B, plasma. Option C, vapor. Option D is gas. And the best answer is option B, plasma. Acceleration is inversely proportional to A, velocity. Option B, force. Option C, distance. Option 4 is mass. The correct answer is option D, mass. The velocity of light was determined accurately by option A, Michelson. Option B, Young. Option C, Newton. Option D is Huygens. And the ट्रू आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, माइकलसन। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसे सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि मेरी हर आने वाली न्यू वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। अवर नेक्स्ट MCQs इज द म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस बिटवीन टू कॉइल्स डिपेंड अपॉन दियर ऑप्शन ए, क्लोजनेस। ऑप्शन बी, नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स। ऑप्शन सी, एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन। ऑप्शन डी, ऑल ऑफ दीज। द म्यूचुअल इंडक्टेंस between two coils depend upon their option D, all of these. Closeness, number of turns, area of cross section depends on all of these. What is normal temperature of human body? Option A, 30 degrees Celsius. Option B, 32 degrees Celsius. Option C, 37 degrees Celsius. And option D is 40 degrees Celsius. The true answer is option C, 37 degrees Celsius. Our next MCQs is the length of a conductor is halved. Its resistance will be option A, unchanged. Option B, halved. Option C, doubled. Option D, changed variant. And the true answer is option B, halved. The length of a conductor is halved, its resistance will also be halved. Which of the following is an insulator? Option A, germanium. Option B, mercury. Option C, glass. Option 4 या ऑप्शन डी जिसे कहते हैं इज कार्बन. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, glass. Glass is an insulator. Option 27, MCQs 27 is a beta particle is deflected by. Option A, magnetic field. Option B, electric field. Option C, electric and magnetic field. And option D is none of these. The true answer is option C, electric and magnetic fields. Depends upon deflected by electric and magnetic both fields. Surface tension depends on option A, intermolecular forces. Option B, nature of liquid. Option C, surrounding environment and temperature. Option D, all of these. The true answer is option D, all of these. The surface tension depends upon internal forces, nature of liquid, surroundings, all of these. The number of protons in any atoms are always equal to the number of option A, positron. Option B, neutrons. Option C, electrons. Option D, mesons. And the best answer is option C, electrons. MCQs 30 is 1 volt is defined by 1 dash. Option A, meter per coulomb. Option B, coulomb per joule. Option C, coulomb per meter. And option D is joule per coulomb. The true answer is option D, joule per coulomb. MCQs 31 is which particle has larger range in air? Option A, alpha particle. Option B, beta particle. Option C, gamma particle. Option D, neutron. And which that particle which has larger range in air is option C, gamma particle. Our next MCQs is current produces magnetic effect due to its option A, electrical field. Option B, mechanical energy. Option C, magnetic field. Option D, chemical energy. The true answer is option C, magnetic field. The source of the sun's energy is the process of option A, thermionic emission. Option B, nuclear fission. Option C, nuclear fusion. Option D, photoelectric emission. And the correct answer is option C, nuclear fusion. Not fission, it's fusion. Thermocouples convert option A, heat energy into light energy. Option B, heat energy into electrical energy. Option C, heat energy into mechanical energy. And option D is mechanical energy into heat energy. And the best option is option B, heat energy into electrical energy. What is the voltage in vehicle battery? Option A, 12 volt. Option B, 13 volt. Option C, 14 volt. Option D, 15 volt. And the perfect answer for this MCQs is option A, 12 volt. Voltage in vehicle battery is always 12 volt. Light reaches the earth from sun in nearly option A, 8 minutes. Option B, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Option C, 10 minutes. And option D is 15 minutes. The correct answer is option B, 8 minutes and 30 seconds. The next MCQs is what is the principle of fiber optical communication? Option A, total internal refraction. Option B, interference. Option C, refraction. And option D is scattering. The best option is option A, total internal reflection. Fiber optical communication depends upon total internal reflection. The best conductor of heat among the following is option A, mercury. Option B, ether. Option C, water. Option D, alcohol. The true answer is option A, mercury. In which of the following the speed is greatest? Option A, air. Option B, vacuum. Option C, solid. Option D, liquid. The best option is option C, solid. The quarks are supposed to exist in the following number of flavors. Option A, 2. Option B, 4. Option C, 6. Option D, 16. Quarks exist in option C, 6 number of flavors. Diffraction effect is option A, less for a round edge. Option B, more for a round edge. Option C, less for a sharp edge. And option D, more for a sharp edge. And the best option is option D, more for a sharp edge. Diffraction effect is more for a sharp edge. The physics of moving charged particle is known as option A, plasma physics. Option B, electrostatic. Option C, electrodynamics. Option D, electromagnetic. And the best option is option C, electrodynamics. First equation of motion gives relationship between option A, velocity and time. Option B, speed and velocity. Option C, speed and time. Option D, velocity and acceleration. The correct answer for this MCQs is option A, velocity and time. First equation of motion gives relationship between velocity and time. MCQs 44 is rarefractions are formed where air pressure is option A, normal. Option B, 0. Option C, lower. And option D is higher. The best answer is option C, lower. Next MCQs is the focal length of a plane mirror is option A, 0. Option B, positive. Option C, negative. Option D, infinite. The true answer is option D, infinite. The focal length of a plane mirror is always infinite. The waves used in ultrasonography are option A, infrared waves. Option B, microwaves. Option C, sound waves. Option D, ultrasonic waves. And the true answer is option D, अल्ट्रासोनिक वेव्स. यही वेव्स हैं जो अल्ट्रासाउंड में यूज़ होती हैं और स्टार्ट में लोगों ने इसका बहुत गलत इस्तेमाल किया था लेकिन अब परफेक्टली यूज़ हो रही हैं. Who discovered the law of forces action between charges? Option A, Huygens. Option B, Newton. Option C, Coulomb. And option D, Einstein. The best option is option C, Coulomb. Coulomb discovered the law of forces action between the charges. Next MCQs is that hydraulic brakes used in automobile is a directly application of option A, Archimedes principle. Option B, Pascal's law. Option C, Bernoulli's theorem. And option D is Torricellian's law. The correct answer is option B. Pascal's law. Hydraulic brakes used in automobiles is a direct application of the Pascal's law. Next MCQs is at temperature 0 Kelvin, the germanium behaves as option A. Superconductor, option B. Conductor, option C. Insulator, and option D is ferromagnetic. The correct answer is option C. Insulators. At 0 Kelvin temperature, germanium behaves as insulator. The gold color of the resistance show the tolerance up to option A 10%, option B 5%, option C 0.01, option D 0.02. The correct answer is 5%. The gold color of the resistance always show the tolerance up to 5%. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.